Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Contacts app so you can add directly. This saves steps. Once open, tap the plus icon to create a new contact and enter the name first, because items sort by name. Make sure iCloud Sync is on so changes back up automatically. This prevents lost edits. Also prepare phone numbers with country codes and a preferred label like mobile or work so you don't correct labels later. Now you add details. Tap each field and choose labels to keep things organized. For example, select mobile or work so you know which to use. Once done, tap Add field to include notes, birthday, or URL. This helps automation and cards. If you use other accounts like Google or Exchange, go to Settings Contacts Accounts to enable syncing. This consolidates entries. Finally, link duplicates so you have a single unified finish by organizing and sharing. Add key contacts to favorites for one-tap calling or swipe down to search names quickly. When you need to share, tap Share Contact and pick AirDrop or Messages to send the V-card. It preserves fields. Once done, review groups or accounts to confirm everything synced. If contacts disappear, troubleshoot by toggling iCloud contacts off and on, signing out then in, and force quitting contacts. That usually forces a successful resync.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.